Ooh hoo hoo. So yeah, there's the thing about walking barefoot around a bunch of mulberries. You can get a lot of juice in your toes. So I figure I'm gonna try a little something today. I got one bag of potatoes where the plants all fell over and starting to wither a little bit. So I figure if it wins or it loses, I'm gonna take it and dump it out and see what happens. So I've never grown the potatoes in a bag like that, so it could be interesting. So there we have it. We'll try it out. Now there's them potatoes. Now, I don't know, but it could probably grow a little bit longer, which is why I'm not gonna worry about doing it. The other ones I'm gonna wait. But with this one, I figured I'd give it a try. Learn something maybe. Still going. I think I'm seeing already I should have let it go longer. I mean, as cool as that is, it had a bunch of little ones that would have gotten bigger. And I left it in there. At least it does demonstrate, though, that there is potatoes probably growing on the other one. I wish I'd have added that dirt to make things deeper. the little ones. See, these roots still had little potatoes deals on them. Okay, there we have it. Lesson learned, I guess. Should have left them a little bit longer. Maybe these would have got a little bigger. I don't remember how many potatoes that was. I probably just got the yield out that I put in. See the ends of these. What's this here, fella? Look at that. What are you doing in there? Trying to grow some taters? What am I doing? Yes. Oh, I'm filling this bag back up. Put these few potatoes and little ones and plants with the roots back in there and see what it does, just for experiment purposes, right? Why not? Well, there it is. Now, is that a disappointing failure or a success? Well, I've learned something. Wait a bit longer on the rest. I've got something I can eat. So even if it was using the growing process as a recycling storage facility for future potatoes, then so be it. There it is. So I'll give those a try and see how they are. Yeah, put these all back in there. Put a little water on it. Throw it back over there and see what happens. Oh boy. Who knows? I don't know. Could be interesting. So there it is. There's my little potatoes in the bag experiment. Isn't that something? Well, la-di-da. Go experiment something, I guess. See what happens. Check you later.